사랑 먹고 그리 이쁘게 걷니 Mommy or your daddy or them both lovey-dovey things 너의 곁에なぜ生まれてきたのかなぜ生きているのか僕は知らないなぜ死んでしまうのかなぜ亡くなってしまうのか
Hi everyone, good evening. It's currently Sunday. It is 11:42 in the evening and this is my last day as a free man because my classes for second semester starts tomorrow and I don't know what to feel about it because usually in my experience second semester tends to be the most difficult, so okay. Anyways, my classes tomorrow starts at 10 in the morning, so for tomorrow I am planning on waking up at around 6 in the morning. This is what my alarms look like. So I usually have alarms every 5 to 10 minutes just in case. Now that is done, I have also kind of somewhat prepared for the second semester. I've already decluttered my files, did some file organization, and now I just need to get ready for bed. Hopefully I'll be able to sleep earlier because I've been sleeping at around 2 to 3 a.m. But I need to be asleep at around 12:30 at 1 so that way I'll have sufficient sleep for tomorrow. Hello everyone, so it is a start of a new week and that means that it's time to plan my week ahead, and as my schedule is getting busier and busier with the new semester and workloads, this is one of the key tasks that I need to really get done in order to organize my entire week ahead. And to do that, I try to constantly practice the concept of time blocking, which is basically allotting a specific time of the day to accomplish a specific task so that way you can get them done as scheduled. And one of the tools that I use for this is Akiflow, which allows me to integrate all of my productivity tools such as Notion and Google Docs all in one place. So it just makes it a lot easier for me to plan because I don't need to go back and forth with different software, and I can just do all of the planning all in one workspace. And as you can see on the side, I created a folder as well, so I'm able to section my task for better organization. And then after that, so I would just input all of my to-do list or the task that I want to get done for the day, and then you can just drag them onto your workspace so that you can schedule them. And you can also set a recurring time if that's something that can be helpful on your end. And I also like turning on their AI Copilot because it auto assigns your task into the respective sections, so that way I don't need to do it manually and it just does it for me. So there you go. As someone that is quite busy and tends to get really overwhelmed with work quite easily, time blocking is a concept that has been so helpful for me because it allows me to schedule a specific time slots for various tasks. So it minimizes distraction and just overall improves my focus. And maybe if you want to get into the habit of time blocking, you can actually try this one for yourself by visiting the link in the description box down below.
Also follows a certain procedure. So when you read on your own, you can that's also use the That's good. Next topic is about
Siyempre, di mo makita sarili mo.
Wait a minute, 이게 뭐지? 내 심장이 love up 자꾸만 뛰어 저 멀리서도 oh my gosh 끌어당겨요 my gosh 초능력처럼 my heart 네 모든 게내 맘에 들려본 너는 내 진정할게 This time I want you like it's super good.
こが空いてなくて、そういう日は、まあ、家でやる時もあるんですけど、